Hi, EDU coin traders. Today's levels can decide profit or loss. Watch this full video before entering any trade. In this video, I will show EDU coins important support and resistance on different time frames, along with say bullish and bearish scenarios. Watch till the end for most important levels. First, let's quickly check Bitcoin because altcoin follows Bitcoin. So you can see that I'm in the Bitcoin chart, and you can see I'm in the monthly chart, and I've drawn the trend lines already. You can see that it is support, the resistance, then there is a resistance here, and you can see the candles were moving in this channel pattern. This is support and resistance, and previously you can see after the fall the candles went to the resistance level, fall happened, again it went up, and then after you can see candles were moving in this channel pattern. So this is support and resistance. After the fall, you can see candles have taken support here, it went up, again the fall happened, and now the breakout has happened. So candles are moving in a upward direction. So if you go to the weekly chart also, you can see that already the breakout has happened. So candles will start moving towards this resistance level, which is over here, that is 130k. Okay, so this is the resistance and this is support. So this is the like you can support zone, and this is the resistance zone. So within this channel pattern only the candles may move. Okay, so already the breakout has happened, so candles are moving in an upward direction. And if you see RSI is also confirming that. So it looks like already the breakout has happened, so candles have started moving in a upward direction. You can see that very clearly. Okay, so now I'll go to the chart of EDU and see what is going on there. So you can see that I'm in the weekly chart. So let us draw the trend lines. So you can see this is the support trend line, okay, major support, and this is the major resistance. Okay, so previously you can see candles went to the resistance level, and then continuously the fall is happening. So if you go to the monthly chart, you can see continuously the candles are falling. So let me draw the trend line. You can see this is the support trend line, and this is the resistance trend line. Okay, so within this channel pattern only the fall is taking place. So previously you can see after hitting this resistance trend line, you can see candles came down support, then again it went up, and then continuously the fall was happening. Okay, so it came to the support, and now candles are moving towards the resistance level. So if you draw the trend line, so you can see this is the support and this is the resistance. Okay, so within this channel pattern only the candles are moving. If you go to the weekly chart, you can see very clearly. So after the fall the candles went to the resistance level, fall happened, again went up, fall, again went up, and now you can see candles are falling in this channel pattern. Okay, so if you draw the trend line, you can see this is a support trend line and this is the resistance trend line. So within this channel pattern only the fall is taking place. So if you go to daily chart also, you can see that after the candles went up, fall happened, okay, again the candles have gone up, fall, again the candles have gone up to the resistance level. So if you draw the trend line, you can see this is the support trend line. Okay, so you can see candles were moving in this channel pattern. So this is support and this is the resistance. Okay, so currently you can see candles are now at the resistance level. So this candles may fall to the support, and if the breakout happens, it may go in a upward direction like this, may go to the resistance level. If the breakout doesn't happen, then candles may come down to support level. Okay, and then from here it may go up, fall, again go up, fall, and then finally breakout happen, and then candles may move to the resistance level. So you can see very clearly how this candles are moving. So if you go to the 4 hours chart also, you can see currently the candles are falling. Okay, already you can see candles have gone up to the resistance level. Okay, so now currently the candles are falling. Okay, so continuously the fall is taking place. After the breakout, you may see a rally towards this the resistance level. Okay, so this will be the future resistance level, and candles may go up. If in case the breakout doesn't happen in the upward direction, then candles may fall to the support level, and from here it may go up, fall, and then finally if the breakout happens, then candles may start moving towards this resistance level. Okay, so you can see this is the major support and resistance, and within this channel pattern only the candles are moving. Okay, so if you go to the weekly chart also, you can see candles will move in this channel pattern. Okay, and then what will happen is like if the breakout happens, it may go up like this, or else the candle may move to the support and then it may start moving in a upward direction. Okay, so it may go up to the resistance level, fall, and then it may start moving in a upward direction towards this resistance level, which is over 1.85, and this support is around 0.04931. okay, so you can see very clearly that candles may move to the resistance level. Okay, and if you go to the 2 hours chart also, you can see that candles are now falling continuously. Okay, and after the breakout, the candles may move in an upward direction towards this resistance level, and then fall may take place. If the breakout doesn't happen, then candles may come down to the support level here, which is around 0.12709, and then it may go up, fall, and then finally if the breakout happens, it may go to the resistance level, that is 0.24978. Either the candles may move from this to resistance level here, or else it will fall to the support and then it may go to the resistance level. So if you go to the monthly chart also, you can see very clearly that candles are falling in this downtrend channel pattern, and if there is a breakout happens, then candles may start moving. If you can see candles are now moving into the support level. Okay, if there is a breakout happens, then from here the candles may start moving towards this resistance level, and then fall may take place. Okay, so you can see this is the major support here, and this is the major resistance, and within this channel pattern only the candles are moving. So currently you can see candles are moving in this downtrend channel pattern. So I am in the monthly chart, and after the breakout only you will see a rally towards this resistance level, which is around 1.77, and then fall may take place, which may come down to the support level, that is 0.08384. okay, so like this the candles are moving. Okay, so currently you can see, if you go to the 3 hours chart, you can see currently the candles are moving in this uptrend channel pattern. Okay, so this is the resistance and support. Okay, so currently after this candles were given a breakout, now candles are falling continuously. After the breakout only you may see a rally towards this upward direction, or it may come down to the support level. So now we'll talk about other details about this cryptocurrency. So you can see the current price is $0.1645. It is up by 1.69%. Rank is around 270. Around 31k users are following this cryptocurrency. Market cap is $106.85 million, and the volume in 24 hours is $6.59 million. It is down by 7%. Okay, and if you see the total supply is 1 billion EDU coin, and the maximum supply is around 1 billion EDU coins, and the holder for this cryptocurrency is 17,850 holders for this cryptocurrency, and the circulating supply is 649.46 million EDU coin. Okay, and so these are the details, and you can see the rank is around 270. Around 31k users are following this cryptocurrency. So now we'll go to the chart, and you can see I'm in the daily chart, and you can see always have a stop loss to prevent any major losses. Okay, so never enter trade without stop loss. Capital protection is more important than profits. So this is very, very important. You have to keep this in mind, and you can take up any opportunity. Always have a stop loss. Suppose you can see those who have taken up this opportunity, you can see the prices have gone up, so you should have a stop loss to prevent any major losses. Okay, so the price has gone up, you would have made a profit, and you should have a stop loss below near to this. After the breakout, you can see the candles have given a breakout. If you draw the trend line, you can see the support, and this is the resistance. Okay, so within this channel pattern only the fall was happening, and after the breakout the candle started moving up. So if you see the breakout here, and you can see you should have a stop loss below this. Okay, so if your breakout happens, so you should have a stop loss here, and suppose if you enter somewhere in this place, you could have made a profit. Okay, this much profit you could have made, and then the reversal took place and candles came down to the support. Okay, so this much trade you could have you could have taken, and you could have made a profit. Okay, so always have a stop loss to prevent any major losses. That is very, very important. Okay, so this is it, and now click the video on the screen where I explain the next important crypto setup in details. Don't miss it. And this video is for educational purpose only, no financial advice. Do your research before you take up any decision. Thank you and have a nice day.